Yo, what is going on guys? In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the latest iOS. Now this tutorial works untethered. You won't need any cables or to connect with your computer at all because we're going to be using a modified version of Unc0ver that works with the latest iOS. But if you have a previous version, it's going to work there as well, so do not worry if you are not on the latest iOS. So without further ado, let me start by showing you all the things that you need to do, because there is a couple of settings that you need to change on your phone just to prepare it for the installation of Unc0ver and the jailbreak. So firstly, go to General Settings and then find Background App Refresh on your phone and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on. For me it's on already, but if it's off for you, if it says Background App Refresh off like this, then you need to simply tap on it. You need to tap on Background App Refresh and then tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data to turn it on. So this is the first setting that you need to change. Once you're done with that, you need to go back to your main settings and you're gonna find another setting that I'm gonna show you right now. So once you are on the main settings, you need to go on and find these battery settings over here and make sure that low power mode is turned off. If you have low power mode on, then the jailbreak won't be successful, so make sure that it is turned off. So the first thing that you need to do here is that you need to open your browser and go to this website that I'm going to show you right now. So the website that you need to go is the one over here, and it is vipjailbreak.com. So vipjailbreak.com is the website that you need to go, and once you're here, to get Unc0ver, you need to simply tap on the jailbreak button, and it is the blue button at the bottom. So once you tap on it, then the download is going to start, but it's going to ask you if you want to allow this download to start, and you need to tap on the allow button at the right over here. This is going to start downloading Unc0ver on your phone. Now you need to tap on the close button once the download has been completed, and I'm going to show you how to install Unc0ver right now. You need to go back to your settings, and once you are on your main settings, go back to the main window. You're going to see this new tab that says Profile Downloaded. So this is how you install Unc0ver. You need to tap on the Profile Downloaded tab over here, and that's gonna send you in the installation window. Once you're here, you need to tap on the install button at the upper right and then enter your passcode. Once you do enter the passcode, the next step is that you need to actually tap on the next button. Alright, again you need to tap on install at the upper right, and then again tap on install one more time at the bottom. So this is all you need to do to install Unc0ver on your phone. Now I'm gonna show you how to jailbreak your device, how to jailbreak the latest iOS by using Unc0ver. To do that, you need to simply tap on the Unc0ver icon, which is over here, and that's gonna open the app. Alright, so once you are on the app, for the jailbreak to be successfully completed, it is very easy. All you need to do here is that you need to tap on the jailbreak button at the bottom, and that's gonna jailbreak your device and also install Cydia. Alright, so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna tap on jailbreak to start with the jailbreak procedure. Now sometimes once the jailbreak starts, you are going to be required to complete a very short device verification to verify your device and to verify your iOS version. For me, I have already completed this verification before shooting the video tutorial, so it has a bug and it's gonna ask you always, but I do not need to complete the verification, but you have to do it. So you need to tap on the continue button to go to the security checks and to verify your device, and once you do, only then you'll be able to have your phone jailbroken. As I said before, this beta version of Unc0ver has a bug and it is asking me to complete the verification, but I have already done that, so this is why my phone has been successfully jailbroken and Cydia has been installed. As you can see here, I have Cydia on my phone, so that means that this phone has been fully jailbroken and I can actually open Cydia, and as you can see here, it is fully working. I have all the features required.